Thank you so much, the career con. Matana sarila, matana saire. Tangkhul with saglak gahaya, aman saglak gahaya awo yiwilan. Itumna kanutot bina mapari tay sai chilala. Hirada atumwi sari sagaine itumli hirada chitay midakle hila tamkui kabay akane. Matala gaina sami aire. Arriba judges swingwayana comment.
Karakon Lahi Natumna Kakabila Miwila Saga Natumi original da.
Hello, Chick. Asharka Owayi Nagabi Salani.
Matane Kanitot Sada Hitada Itumi Mashan Aruli Hitada Maling Tingena Tarja Riena Acha Lakawi Arila Rasakami Vanglish Lakere. All the best. Matane Nia Unai.
Thank you.
I also wish you all the best. I hope to see you on the next round, that is semi-final. Achingaya, 15 contenders being compete sagi and 4 will be eliminated tonight to go through the semi-final. So, Lalushita contenders tongali na tumi Pami kap kajiji kushoklo tushali kala Tangkhul as a holy Tangkhul's really got a talent kajiji achu showcase salak se kajiji na tum katongali hangju pundale. Aria, next up I present you our Toting Soro.
And turn the lights down low and put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. I never felt a feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. There's no hurry, don't you worry. We can take our time. Come a little closer, let's go over what I had in mind. Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow. But baby, we ain't got got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. Ain't nobody ever loved nobody but the way that I love you. We're alone now, you don't know how long I wanted to. Lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling that was quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. Thank you.
Wow, that was a terrific performance by Toting Soro. But let's hear what the judges would like to advise.
Hello, I'm Toting.
Hello, Miss.
No, con Jim mẹ sốc na phừng
Thank you, thank you.
Ta na sa mẹ là cái na we la Joyce chi yêu favorite này.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, one more comment from Pami.
Tangkhul nào xem sơ rai là cái krok mơ bay Tangkhul nào li krok mơ bay từ chef siêu cái sang quỷ dịch tha krok này.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Cái nahi la sa thay nuôi in là cái follow sai cái nuôi mi khai bri run mi khai nuôi akon comment thay hi song choice le tra khale ji ne je ne ji mukun ji mà chỉ thấy được là sum gì nữa, cái anh chính là song choice, yêu bằng right choice in the pning ấy, thì chính hi thay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. I wish you all the best for the next round. Yari ping akshida pang may da Toting Soro, and for all the participants, yes, thank you. Yari ko to na Tangkhul. Achi ngayava ishi tusharna Tangkhul as a whole represents hamilaga hirada hosa mida kleine chiwangai live yang dak lay ping nala viewers ping nala issue we khamo ho issue we kho kasa ka domi live yang khui laga ngayo yang khawang sarno gi hi nathum ko tongali pongai. So let's keep on encouraging and supporting them. Yeah? Next up we have serial number 3, that is SP Tatam. I present you now SP Tatam.
Hello, Tushar. Let's rock and roll. Welcome to Sea to Flies, where everything everything's got a price. Gonna be in your favorite place. You can be a movie star and get everything you want. Just put some plastic on your face. This place is a circus, you just see the surface. They cover shit under the rug. You can't see the faking, they'll never be naked. Just fill your drink with tonic gin. This is the American dream, so sip the gossip, drink till you choke. Oh, sip the gossip, burn down your throat. Oh, you're not iconic, you are just like them. Oh, don't act like you don't know. So sip the gossip, drink till you choke. Oh, sip the gossip, burn down your throat. Oh, you're not iconic, you are just like them. Oh, don't act like you don't know. Oh. Keep bringing and acting cool, don't care your day is ruined. Nobody loves a gloomy face. Just take a pills and dance all night. Don't think at all that's just fine. So come on, let's try, it's just a taste. This place is a circus, you just see the surface. They cover shit under the rug. You can't see the faking, they'll never be naked. Just fill your drink with tonic gin. This is the American dream, so sip the gossip, drink till you choke. Oh, sip the gossip, burn down your throat. Oh, you're not iconic, you are just like them. Oh, don't act like you don't know. Oh, sip the gossip, drink till you choke. Oh, sip the gossip, burn down your throat. Oh, you're not iconic, you are just like them. Oh, don't act like you don't know. Oh. Sip the gossip, drink till you choke. Oh, sip the gossip, burn down your throat. Oh, you're not iconic, you are just like them. Oh, don't act like you don't know. Oh.
Wow, wow.
Thank you.
SP Tatam. That was really incredible. No performance in the satisfied masada.
Say.
Saya. Iwi bangla. Saya. Because I love your performance.
Thank you.
So, let's move forward. Sir Norbert.
SP Tatam.
Hello, sir.
Na kikuno do.
Arlang Linaw ne.
Singam kya garda?
Aruri 22 jatle.
22. Hopok mathanai re. Achon thanguli arui mathamai. First audition li arui mathamai khara re.
Thank you.
No we punch color vocal ji pang shabtrak le mathanai. All the best.
Thank you.
Okay. Without any further delay, I would like to call upon our next contestant, that is contestant number 4, Hon Shang P. Hon Shang P. Let's welcome Hon Shang P on the stage.
Hello, check.
I just can't handle it this day. Hold up, I must get. Sorry, let's start again. Music.
thing called love, it cries in a cradle all night, it swings, it jives, shakes all over like a jellyfish. I kinda like it. Crazy little thing called love. There goes my baby. She knows how to rock and roll. She drives me crazy. She give me hot and cold fever. She leave me in a cool, cool sweat. I gotta be cool, relax, get hip, get to know my drag, take a backseat, hitchhike, take a long ride on my motorbike until I'm ready. Crazy little thing called love. I gotta be cool, relax, get hip, get to know my drag, take a backseat, hitchhike, take a long ride on my motorbike until I'm ready. Crazy little thing called love. This thing called love, I just can't handle it. This thing called love, I must get around to it. I ain't ready. Crazy little thing called love. Crazy little thing called love. Crazy little thing called. Thank you.
Chilo, a big round of applause for Hon Shang P, please. Matha, since I saw you at Zington's Got Talent, you have been keeping on moving forward. Matha na sa mere. Okay, let's hear a comment from Sir Pagmi.
Hui, Yarano being Hina, Lano, I can go out and Tom Gitata. Miano, I can go Sally Lano being the Kavamilo, Tomilo, the Hangai. Hon Shang P at the Gliver. Nim Singh like in a Sunday school or Jasagi style. La my lame luck now in it, the Sakate, the concert now Sakwi take here. Hinley Gangne, the entertaining young. Then I know we last again, I know we Ninga, I know we movement kicker performance, Tanaye, Hangaye, then next round Lila. Someone vice has a hung my son.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, Hon Shang P from Sirarukong. Nana Elvis Presley long way, Johnny Cash long way, Atamli itumli kuyunga rarihi. Hanung leleshina atumilaji yang na powerful salaga no voice. To err is human. Mikumo hi kangweji kangsani. Ka mamalai plungdi jiba hi aruhi competition ni. Elimination round ni. Ngui kawai apamale mini. Ka thai jilela. Overall no performance nan sadakai, no movement, no la sai corrigiba. It's just fantastic. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. That was really a super performance. I would love to see you on the next round. Up next, we have the rapper Ring Pam SH. Let's welcome Ring Pam SH on the stage.
Hello, Shalila, you con. As a Tade Lama Bokrangin to Yakania Hawk, Miala Tada as a Lirak diet had the earring Balaki, Atumba Nili Tada Kasokrane the year Shanqui, E. Tiamlak Kailam Nimde, Kadada and Ili Talent Mikai Huvang E. And a Mihaji is Sichinra the Rahini, Jena Samioke. Music sami bayore. Shaba Nana Mayara Ili Pio me lu Ngani kejang ina makatami Uyang kasay maning kasangana ang iyong Lyric palo chikan ning sang laki Nagkapamang famera Worship lay homog magsawi ting bok shy Nagshy Worry ka sa kapas kasamang famera Iliba lyric mapangay manay Worship ba ka ngaye kawi famera Ngason na wilong kalaw pagkatsat Recessly may kachi talap na mila Kaya niya nang dangdakang ohom na School fees, admission, uniform band Pencil, scale, eraser, sharpener Notebook, textbook, and a pace of kaya ka Dahil rukala majakla Kangarik, kangara, what's exactly it? Ishaba, ishaba Nanaw mayara Ili piao mi lu Ishaba, ishaba Nanaw mayara Ili piao mi lu Kibashinona aba limalik shili saro katili Kibashinona aba wika hang mga nakangay saro katili Ka once again ang mapag-shocker to Malay ka shiyot sa mga say Shimuchibi masahaw Mangzatsiting ng mga shows at batli Yung malosang may wording and umpi Lay kabayot sa klay Apali dyanan mag-shay Mangay na matiwa Nagkayla shay Kahang mga naman ay Abana Hang kamajin lay kashay Kadang mabay Pamagata Magatay Mangi wining liva Moria panghakangag Sang tangkamay Ning joke Swira kangay swira ho Pay we are a minute You it's a kashi Karujan sakbay Pay nga pok how Mirin shay shi tui how Hui na hai sai Pading ga kui Hui na hai sai Ishaba Piao me lu Ishaba Piao me lu Make sure
Ring Pam SH now Matana Saire No original ne Marawi the Shitsange ina. Is that your original?
Yes, it's my original.
Okay. So Sir Pami.
Sok now. No, we like create in the hang one first. No, he hang come jin la. The message of strong salagly, young. Ka hang the clay he none deliver he hang lay the clipping crowd being hilly. Notum chivate, ava being not rapping the hangji to a young touchy akatar sadly no young. Kajimning la amig miang la the kakang mida look at the some go message in a strong la salang salala attention quicker kicker lazy la tak in the yo none chitala that young son like a sagaji jisala just me go to the say comedy last the being out of the message strong salag laga jibaji chewy punch baji tung baji karin milo kala kamtaba never he itum Tangkhul now being Shepshila my Saraji cut the Daji and the Nui Tangkhul version and it the message strong salan kung he leaned in the Nui signature Agasang like art gaji here kung raw. I invent Kakai gaji he likam ta clean. Then a Shepshi will copy Kasabam Ningla, Nui signature Aka, Nui that the Hitaragaji Aka, I in Tangagasam good as na here a bite. Miang Nadle.
I share it. Arena the Kangjit had a Milli Yanga Salo the Hangla. à thằng là anh hàng ngô khơi im lại khóc khay là chỉ là cái này chỉ vang phiêu mi
ai không lại chú vang cột mẹ rồi chú.
Okay, that's all. Constructive feedback này chỉ khui laga. Lucky sa lagay na if you go through the next round, matha may da comeback sa log jihi inanali hangay dali. So up next, we have Nim Singh CS. Let's welcome Nim Singh CS on the stage. Yari ko toong na actually Nim Shimray welcome sa ko kuisa da panglagay na pangapese.
Let's go, girls. Come on. I'm going out tonight. I'm feeling alright. Gonna let it all hang out. Wanna make some noise, really raise my voice. Yeah, I wanna scream and shout. No inhibitions, make no conditions. Get a little out of line. I ain't gonna act politically correct. I only wanna have a good time. The best thing about being a woman is the prerogative to have a little party. Oh, 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 go totally crazy. Forget I'm a lady. Man, shirts, short skirts. Oh, 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 really go out there doing any style. Oh, 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 give me the action, feel the attraction. Color my hair, do what I dare. Oh, 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 I wanna be free and feel the way I feel. Man, I feel like a woman. Girls need a break tonight. We're gonna take a chance to get on the town. Really romantic, only wanna dance. Gonna let our hair hang down. The best thing about being a woman is the prerogative to have a little party. Oh, 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 go totally crazy. Forget I'm a lady. Man, shirts, short skirts. Oh, 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 really go out there doing any style. Oh, 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 give me the action, feel the attraction. Color my hair, do what I dare. Oh, 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 I wanna be free and feel the way I feel. Man, I feel like a woman. The best thing about being a woman is the prerogative to have a little fun, fun, fun. Oh, 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 go totally crazy. Forget I'm a lady. Man, shirts, short skirts. Oh, 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 really go out there doing any style. Oh, 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 give me the action, feel the attraction. Color my hair, do what I dare. Oh, 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 I wanna be free and feel the way I feel. Man, I feel like a woman.
Thank you. Wow, wow, wow. Nim Singh, that was really a bomb performance. I really love it.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, sir. Solim. Let's move forward.
Hi, Nim Shim.
Hi.
Hana Samire.
Thank you.
Sarba nam tha mai da ham yor na yo.
Arma Miss Solim Lava dance kata kangdi awi parrajendra hangra sarai ka arui never confidence lilake
Thank you, sir.
performance le mathalake ka pitches for akon kachui knemba sikhau mai dia chiva to sikhau mai dia akon bak to ka music ne to ka ngti thui khai le khai ni achon thang ba bam tham card sai ka thalala ki gam tham ni talent perform sai.
Thank you, sir.
Overall, matha nai re bang maya. Oh, I wish you all the best for the next round, and I really hope to see you on the semi-final. Okay, that was our Nim Singh of Tangkhul's Got Talent Season 1. Up next, we have our contender number 7, Ring Pam SH. Let's welcome Ring Pam SH on the stage.
Hello. Hello, Dushar. Oh, come on, guys, louder. Hello, Dushar. That's it. So, first of all, I think everyone feels so boring, right? So let me refresh your mind. So, first of all, I'll give you 5 different sounds. The first one goes like, and the second one goes like, and the third one goes like, and the fourth one goes like, all right? And the fifth one goes like, so let's do this all together. Are you guys ready? Come on, Dushar people, are you guys ready? That's it. Here we go. Time's up. Time to switch on. Now watch out this one, okay? This track is just represent for you guys, all right? So here we go. Representing Dushar. Smoother. Now, let's move on to another track. Are you guys ready? Okay, here we goes. I don't go with a basic flow. When I flow slow, everybody get cold. I don't go with a basic flow. When I flow slow, everybody get cold. Spotto with a basic. When I flow slow, everybody get cold. Spotto with a basic. When I flow slow, everybody get cold. Spotto with a spotto with a. I don't go with a. Cause you don't get shot, kill 100 drunk. Now, let me drink some water. All right. Now let me hit the music. I drop bass like this. Dang, 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 you.
Wow, wow, wow. That was really wonderful. And sorry, this is Mayarmi Shaiza. Mayarmi Shaiza, yeah? That was a mistake. You're in the Pemilo. Okay, so.
Hello, brother Mayami Shaiza.
Hello.
That was a real talent.
Thank you.
You did really amazing. Right now, I'm so speechless. Tana Dasamire, hope to see you on the next round.
Thank you.
Sir Nobs.
Misaja.
Hello, sir.
Mikumona Mari Marawi, a con Satu Hatam Taran. Oh, to him, Nair de Quilo. Good, none a hiaka, no, a con he. A young thing, they did a sagate in a beatbox, he jungle young rider, Katal Aju, no, he bunch Lena, no, he. Beatbox ling na kangai ke ji ajin no in number 1 that ling.
Thank you, sir.
Kala chon thang nen audition din na sa ji nen ta nu wi ji av ek av saman ki jin kharjan ta hangman ki ka sa laga apama khoin akhli khuwa ke ji mthang ji improvise sang ai i ba jang in next bal sa ka ji da kam thang da sa si ji rin pa ar wi lam ne phala ke ka ji pning sa ji ne in
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Wish you all the best. Yariving Ring Pali Clevo. Ring Padale, Tangkhul's Got Talent Season 1 Hina. Itum Psycho Ring Panga Sakdale, Itum Lumaida, Pang Mekarda, Katom say Panga Pemi Segiji Hill at Lichita request Sangaye. Mathangsada, we have our next contender, that is contender number 8. Of Tangkhul's Got Talent Season 1, that is Miss Sotririn Soro, the dancer.
Papi, no te pongas triste. Si me ves con otro que me da lo que no diste. Mira, papi, yo no te importaba. Ahora ando soltera, de ti ya no quiero nada.
Ella lo rebota, bota, bella, echa la nota con la amiga se borota, bebe el niño fuma mota, prende y luego rota salvaje, una loca perdiendo es que me provoca. Ella lo rebota, bota, bella, echa la nota con la amiga se borota, bebe el niño fuma mota, prende y luego rota salvaje, una loca perdiendo es que me provoca y vamos a darle.
Duro, papi, papi duro, papi.
No girl can't tell me about my mother. 16 shots we go longer than a ladder. Them nothing talk but the real done dada. Put money in a pot, them a bun like gubba. No boy can't diss me or my mother. Round here inside everybody need armor. 16 shots we go shatter any bladder.
Don't rush, slow touch, brown and white. Like I go country, grab and buy. We can go bust, eye for eye. We can lose trust. White rum, fizzy pop. Where you they go, we they go up. Catch my vibe, let me go off. Blam the drive, when it's so tough.
Don't rush, take your time with it. Pull up, let me get it.
Rap that up, I put on your pop shit. Come and beat it up like a mosh pit. That me 흘러내린다 like CrossFit. 비가 차네, 나 비가 차네. That mean that ice in my vein. 기가 세네, 나 기가 세네. 땅이 좁세 like I'm rain. Shake, eat, cook it, let it, cook it, let it. You know what the name is, yes. 아무 말이나 해도 다 말이 돼, cause I'm famous.
Wow. What a performance. So cheering. Dance ka sa jim mo chot na liba. Okay. Chot lala yari na ba? Matalagay na yung kuyay re. Inala yung laga. I am really satisfied with your performance.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, Miss Solim.
Hello, Sojurin. No performance ji goosebumps of the latum lila.
Thank you.
Flexible lasana, energetic lasana, matana plunge. Ari performance ji yang kava Bollywood we stage li washroom shabki sadle. Plus na Nora Fatih rinadle. Adadle. Thana say.
Thank you.
Okay. I wish you all the best for the next round. So that was Sochirin Siro, our contender number 8. Are you guys ready to welcome our next contender? Okay. The stage, I now present the stage to our cohorting Kai Shimray, contender number 9.
Check. I'm jealous of the rain that falls upon your skin. It's closer than my hands have been.
Oh, I'm jealous of the rain. I'm jealous of the wind that ripples to your clothes, closer than your shadows. Oh, I'm jealous of the wind, 'cause I wished you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back, tell me all you found was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say, I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. I'm jealous of the nights that I don't spend with you. I'm wondering who you lay next to. Oh, I'm jealous of the nights. I'm jealous of the love, a love that wasn't here, gone for someone else to share. Oh, I'm jealous of the love, 'cause I wished you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back, tell me all you found was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say, I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. As I sink in the sand, watch you slip through my hands. Oh, as I die here another day, 'cause all I do is cry behind a smile. Oh, I wished you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back and tell me all you found was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say, I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. It's hard for me to say, I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, that was really melodious. Overall, that was really a heart-touching performance for me. Let's hear what the judges would like to give you an advice.
Hello, Toting.
Hello, sir.
Music speaks louder than words, you know. Tuina mahang her, he music in a hang. Lag sastanli guspam sok mishap. Kala no la konjing nalai tumnera kapungli pungwa kai. No charu wi yam kuijli pungwa kasapji. Chikita we feeling mi kisap chiki jangkat la sa ka thene. I think actually performance thana plongai. I hope to see you in the next round.
Thank you, sir.
Wait, please wait. Wow. Amai ko ting we la myung na sai da jeng ya ba impi ba pai mam ne.
Han pai so.
Ta na sai re.
Ning share.
Okay, that's all. I would like to see you on the next round. So wishing you all the best. Up next. Yari bing ring padle jikava akshi the pangag ping a changa mai sila. Thank you. Ara, I present you our contender number 9 of Tangkhul's Got Talent Season 1, that is Kapangkui W. Shimray on the stage. Yari in the Kayang liver. Comment in the first meal gay. Yari being nothing Mushana like a key lame tear here. And a yek take bag lame te. Okay. So far, no performance in Achu. And I can see that you are improving. Need some carry bang mayang in Achu Kayang here. Jen, come forward. Come forward. Okay. Sir Norbert.
Gabangkwe ila amu ba khayege. Kala amu khaye gajili rashi gisang gajili kisa kapan. The atan how pogli iram ba paushim thada how poglaga. Lastly Ronaldo untag shab gajihi. Gajihi gajangkat khayar ga khle gajang juwang ni jene. In hang ngai ba ari rashung da bam ajon thang ari host na lagang da ajon thang wijili ajin ma tham mai card yekli da ga ara hili hiwen ma thang thak mai ji yang ma thang thak mai ji no wen expect sat le ko ji hang ngai.
Hello Kapangkhui Migamo hi patience perseverance kala situation li handle sak thai gi ji achina na sachithere ki wangla chicken yaru sai gore awi board hi aring alang da naram church we pastor na machon da Pami da ngalang da phaku khuine awi original board ana saki gi jiba ukrulaina misplace sakai ni jiwang yaru na sorry isi organizers na sorry hanglai kha ngalang da chi thai jil la ning mateu lak la khalele jili sakhui thele ga hitha da yak shok ka sabhi yangala ke. All the best.
Okay, all the best, yeah. So far, Yari Ping, Iliver Gatagle had a ring of high Katioko Vachitago. General Katomse, Lang Siang, Yarina Atumna Hilly Stage, Legalaga performs Saga Ring Palagana. Katom the lay in a Tumi Saga Hagili, the Pangla Gaina Panga Payment. Ashida Kapangquiva. Sure, thank you. Ara, we have our next contender number 11. Are you ready? Yari ping manganangai hayra mathingai hayra. So, I present you Nimop Mahung on the stage, our contender number 11.
Please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Please don't take him just because you can. Your beauty is beyond compare with flaming locks of auburn hair, with iris skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile is like the breath of spring. Your voice is soft like summer rain. I cannot compete with you, Jolene. He talks about you in his sleep, and there's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolene. And I can easily understand how you could easily take my man, but you don't know what it means to me, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, Jolene, love to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you. Whatever you decide to do, Jolene. Jolene, 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 Jolene. I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Please don't take him just because you can. Jolene, Jolene.
Wow, Nimop, your voice is so rich and warm. Matana dangana query ara judges fingna ki comment ki advice mi ngai de lekle nganaw se
Nimop mahong.
Yes.
Nakikuli do.
Shingda naune.
Singkum kya karda?
19.
19. No, we are calling even 19. We are calling matham bay. Audition kara thongane na achi mathame kare. No, we are calling he strong salake kala consistency laye. Ita the vashuma ka chance le laye. Mathame karte sabai salo. Performance mathane ajo.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Overall, that was really a super performance by Nimop. I now give this time to Visil PS, our contender number 12 of Tangkhul's Got Talent Season 1. Let's welcome Visil PS on the stage.
Ili assist sami kai issue host Miss Timilung harna ili kamil jo nisnare ina card sili Mangapai ayu dong ini hilik bisa ngai le yang fruit juice cold drinks ka thaji yang mix na ting te gi ji na Pami gila he
Coconut water, sugarcane juice, thumbs up, whiskey, cranberry juice, aloe vera, pomegranate juice, Fanta, green Red Bull, watermelon, dragon, yes. They certainly.
Okay. Ina hi thai na mix alu ge yang. Ara card si ina spread sami ka ba nana hi aka sajalo card sa aka sajalo. No winning chang. Jirla. Hi. Kuyolo. Me limang selo yang. Na, jiwa hai salo, no we, na hai salo jiwa yang, pocket li sangai salo jiwa.
There's no pocket.
Jiwa hai salo yang, ada hili. Card ini siapa sahaja. Card si, no yang ini agak bangkui mega jiwa yang. Jadi card si kita here.
Queen of Spades, yeah?
Queen of Spades, yeah.
Queen of Spades, he no signature, he some yolo. Margaret Chiquilo. Margaret Chiquilo, signature. Card C. Queen of Spades, he ogo twili himankle got river, yeah? Then Queen of Spades, he Miss Nana mine masaka he cornerly Makemi Gilana he. Cornerly. Queen of Spades Koji, Han Kilo. Ara cards illa aka quick, yeah? You he 6 of hearts, yeah? 6 of hearts he. Illa you I mean V. You I mean V now what the illa V sang he, yeah? Ara, ila iwi karsi kuyoge, jo mis kilo. Hali, mungkin kami lah. Nana kita sing le, Queen of Spades sing le lah ya. Ina, 6 of Hearts sing le lah. Ara,
Queen of Spades and 6 of Hearts.
Jo mungkin lah hai na. No ya bang kita lu lega. Yang lo, cik, ada cik lain lah. Cik lalu.
How did that happen?
Show it to the camera. Camera yang selo. Hey, ya. Ada. Atang noi pocket liseng dah leji. Ji, na yang kau lu jo. Yang kau mang shop lu ya. Itu magician behavior. Future taste lah. Arui kartli ni kepisang kai iba merarang lah kalau anak quick ngai quill lah. Ji ungta pun lagi iba taste lah. Jadi na ina 1 to 3 jak mira. Jadi na nui kartli tu ya jeng dah lagi. Jar li hang song mila ya. Jo 1 2 3.
Mango juice.
Yo. Ina hi mango juice. Kena no je.
Yes.
Camera lang selo mango juice.
It's mango juice.
Iba.
Mango juice.
Iba Coca-Cola ni ga de gafning de la. Kikam tham ni. Magician be hi. Pick up plan ga bai wo. Hả? Lo hi. Không sai có hi. Hi hả? Lo ya bang jogla lo. Imang berar jitla. Lo hi. Originally, he Coca-Cola ji in the kushwager. Mango juice and I go. Huh? Hello. Completely still he actually put ring like here. Yeah, here. Huh? Hello. None full job. Hele he sang. Những xe rồi, tông lì.
Cái này là sao gì vậy? Ý phạm mà ta chỉ có Ariang là cái Ariang. Ý rằng chỉ là demo hiliang khắp phạm mà ta này. That was really wonderful. Judges.
Visil.
Yes, sir.
Ajira sungda. Tuy gai atamai na yang sarla ka ajira sungda. Tangkhul naw na magpain o sakro mina na kreni. Tada nana kre sada the magician ang sada the hopog laga nui level hi atam ni tam tai ka ngai tai ka dak lehi hi thail ka chung ring pai aton the audition we na aji hi te hang ai na aru hi mi wa khawli ochman mi sap khushok mi sap ta rasa khai coca-cola mango aru on mi kai ji tangkhuli nana kre na aru chang hi the oi the sawashum ki ga ji thum hi li ta Matang haksang bai jang lay the lay jane jungko appreciate sai aju performance aju ek
Next year, sir.
Okay, that was awesome. The great magician, I will say, yeah. Visil PS magician Tangkhul, the great magician ne ji yari ne exam sangai le. Okay, thank you. Visil PS. Ara, up next we have our youngest contender of Tangkhul's Got Talent Season 1. Presenting you Miss Esley Lunglang on the stage. Yari katong ane Esley Lunglang we mangai na pangmarla kay nakapel go welcome sa ko say.
I'm a girl's girl, I'm a boss in a man's world. Yeah, I can pick and roll past ballerina twirl. Skating through the city with my snapback on. Still be looking pretty with no makeup. Mama said marry a rich man. Oh no, and I was like, Mama, I am that rich man. Oh yo 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 yeah. Oh mommy, oh my God, how this girl gets so fly. I do what you doing, but doing it like a tomboy. Oh mommy, oh my gosh, how this girl gets so fly. I do what you doing, but doing it like a tomboy. Yeah, some right real tight, let a nigga crave. All night, that's tight, falling on the table. Off-white fit, nice, Balenciaga baby. Fast fat, real snacks, got that nigga crazy. Some right real tight, let a nigga crave. All night, that's right, falling on the daily. Off-white fit, nice, Balenciaga baby. Fast fat, real snacks, got that nigga crazy. Yeah, I've been on a jet all day, yeah. Ooh, even when I'm chill, I'm still cool. Ooh, smoke a J and then I regroup. Ooh, I spend a check and don't trip, I regroup. Yeah, get it right back. Every day, getting back, I can't write back. You'll see my face every day, I can't hide that. Danny Lane, what they say, and I'm like that. Sun right, real tight, got a nigga craving. All night, that's right, rolling on a day. Off-white fit, nice, Balenciaga baby. Fast fat, real stank, got that nigga craving. Blackpink in your area. Blackpink in your area. 컴백이 아니야 넌 적 없으니까 고개들이 돌아 진정에 못 걷길라 분홍빛의 얼음 drip 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 freeze on the side shut it down what yeah 이미 안에 든 적이 없으니까 지저분이 목에 먹줄은 내 거니까 땅바닥에 단표로 we go 205 shut it down 초록빛을 내려 머리 위로 don't trip baby 겸손하게 그냥 앉아있어 just sit baby praying for my downfall many have tried baby catch me when you hear my Lamborghini go vroom 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 when we pull up you know it's a shutdown 간판 내리고 문 잠가 got shut down. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. It's black and it's pink once the sundown. When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown. 간판 내리고 문 잠궈 shut down. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Keep watching me shut it down.
Esley, kamu thaji kenapa sih dah? Mata nasai naliva dance kiban natame, shimni dance matami nali.
Initiation dance class li tame.
Mata nasai nawe actually favorite judge kipa nasara judges katum nei dak lejli nei favorite judge.
Ketong kan ne?
Ketong kan. Okay, so judges comments. Piece of advice for Esley Longlang.
Hello. Arigia bra Blackpink lage.
Thank you.
Esley, you're one of the cutest jal I have ever seen, kids I have ever seen in my entire life.
Thank you.
You look so adorable today. Kala maite bashu kahan thada big rasu chambra ne jiji ajo phatta lage.
Thank you.
Keep on dancing mathanai.
Thank you, Miss.
Ashley, na ari zingkum kya kare tha?
Chiko kare.
Class kya li tum dulai?
Class 5.
Na zingkum magado matim phangaw now tha. Ari no dance no movement jiang ka. So excited, talent excited. Next round li basa ka mathame kharda sequence samgura salo. All the best.
Thank you.
Sure, all the best. Ara amana ni siasa laga semi-final bagawai siasa pam salo. I wish you all the best. Up next, we have Chino So Awungshi. Arriva stage, Chino So Awungshi. I present you Chino So Awungshi on the stage.
Could give me chills on a summer day, when we're laying still, but you make my heart race. Gonna keep me young when we're old and gray. I know that time moves on, some things don't change. I won't stop getting butterflies, I get them every time I look into your eyes. You won't stop running through my mind for the rest of both our lives. You give me butterflies, and I keep on getting butterflies.
I still fall in love with you every time I see your eyes. It takes me back to the first time I saw you smile. They told us we were young and dumb, we didn't know about love. Now look at all the things we've become.
I won't stop getting butterflies, I get them every time I look into your eyes. You won't stop running through my mind for the rest of both our lives. You give me butterflies,
I keep on getting, I keep on getting
butterflies. When you walk into the room,
Chino so no performance yang laga iwang vas Ring Pam like the way you dance and emotionally mathala kai na feel za laga na moves me da clay exa da clay ji portray sa mi gai ji iwang va I'm really satisfied with your performance. Judges, let's hear a piece of advice from the judges.
Imagine also, no, I real performance yang ka mikta plat kita say. No, we as a expression na we dance it was a good combination. Matana da sadle next lila matame da salo da hangay nish na.
Thank you so much.
Kinaso. Dance we Krishanji Deeping Akaknian Hamiangra.
I don't know
Legacy we Krishan Lake. Dance Salaga Krishan Hang Shapuji, Kapayamini. It may tell me feel Sava Shape, na Krishan Hang the Cleane. Talent Sare. All the best.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Chino, so thank you so much for coming here and performing. Okay, Arriva. Tangkhul's Got Talent Season 1 we Kanawa contender sada we have Pam Pam our contender number 15. Let's welcome Pam on the stage. Yarina actually the Kanawa zata panga pemize.
Hello, check.
I'm trying to hold my breath, let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You share a true dream with me, getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand, will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still to enhance this whole world, but it will never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never enough, never enough for me. and spotlights. All the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Hours of gold are still too hands for world, but it will never be enough, never be enough. Never enough for me, for me, for me.
Lady Pam. Lady Pam.
Thank you.
Matha này, it really suits your voice. La giang ibang va right song choice ne.
Thank you.
Lahi ogthina sakla khai la khne hakla khai la khne the pning sir la ka ngche lop ai ne pom ka hili tangkhul na khne ta ta ngaveng la khai ne ka sa ga ji hi ka chik tha nu wiling khai khang khai unique talent akhawa le plung au da sa ga shab ne the Jenny Hui Mong Hen at the washroom cover. Jankat Hen and he ring by he by line hunks. Ka in Aka, Mang advice Akmahang Kai Manova. La Hita Sadam Ajonta audition dilla, Kala Aji Hilla, La Hi Nui Tai Peter, the Kangaragi, the dramatic Sa La Hita, the Sasa, Jenny Hikta Dumtran in a Hankai Panova. Chumnai na tadang ning kahai pam ning la performance chik tiaw ka expression chik tiaw ka tada dramatic sa me kar tada miyaru jing kun shok kun zang kun wa da sak shap wi tiaw ji tada matang tiaw me na tada hapok sa ngai ning share
Hello, Lady Pam. Achi la sak thai trak krai. Dance sak thai la kala act khang de trak krai. Mathalan perform sai. The greatest showman, Lahi, Lauren Elrodby, Lahi, Kapai Maning, Mitrak and Sakaini. He saklak Kailani, Kalahi, risky Salaka, he sagla Hitala Sagida, Namataran perform Sire, Teumaka, Toga Konana, Moksum Agnia, Zandale, Katalala, Nani he cuts Lela and Sakahi, Hivamatane, Talan perform Sire, nextly Rasaga, Takame, Lagabanquilo. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Lady Pam. Overall, chiva matana gai ne ya. Na Sir Norbert lam sa thai mrisi sada. I lam sa thai mro. So yari ko tong na actually the Lady Pam wivang kala Tangkhul's Got Talent season 1 li razang gahaya contenders ko tong wivang marlak kai na pang phemi se. Thank you. Achu Tangkhul's Got Talent season 1 way. Stage round, elimination round hina khangachang saira. Thank you all for coming here tonight and supporting us. Contenders pingli kala Hilirazang gahaya Colonel National Matayla Razang laga Katomi gahai Natumne hina da kasikaya kakang laga Ragatomi gahai hi Razang gahaya contenders ping wivang la kahaka moral support akang salak tala yegi hi contenders ping nala Shankui laga accept sadly ready in a shitsang chivangay na contenders ping we on behalf and I, on behalf of Tangkhul's Got Talent Season 1, would like to thank you one and all present here tonight. So, achi ngayawi ishina Tangkhul's Got Talent Season 1 hina kangachang sahaya. Result hi akama judges pingla. Kui salagay na competitive sana hogida kala mathana hogida Tangkhul na shograda clay youngster ping hili support sangay lang hogida atum na marki cholagay na tally sadalay chivangay na result will be declared tomorrow on social media. Jena social media le akama ishina eliminate saga high. Achi performance yang laga eliminate saga high chiwi result chi akama shock mira gaji hila yari psychology thenga sa khangai na. Thank you.
Oh, yan lâu nay tay cất sát của sát cái. Thôi giờ tụi mình movie okay giờ lại cái Shahmi. He movie producer pi, cái director pi, cái cô om saya. LOC na tụi mình velan green tea velan mile ye. Green tea ao class na mashua na tụi mình offering hi. Ego shomilo. Because got film kap mi cái tụi mình present sa mi cái